Howdy guys, Jet Scott here, and today is not your normal weekly scheduled video that you're used to. What it is an announcement of what's going on this week that I think is going to make some of you happy. Some of you would rather see the normal Jezebel related video, which I will give you a sneak peek of what we are doing. Let's see if you can see that. Maybe. That's good enough. That's all you need to see, because I don't want to spoil it. But what is really going on this week that I think you guys will enjoy is Wednesday, I'm looking at my notes here, April 15th at 8 p.m. I will be going live. And you come hang out with me for about an hour or so, maybe 2 hours. We'll see how it goes. We'll just, wing it. That's what I'm good at. And we're just going to bullshit, hang out, do all that fun stuff. Because you guys are cool. And I love when you always come out. And all my impromptu live streams, we've had over 100 people in them. And I just keep, pumping that up. And I figure if we actually put out a video letting you guys know when I'm going to go live, we might actually get a really awesome turnout. But also what's cool, what's going on this week, is the following day, Thursday, at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time, I will be going live with two of my buddies here on YouTube, Grant, Straight Six Fan, and Jason, Old Car Guy. Both of them are really cool guys, love their channels, smaller, but they do really awesome stuff, so feel free to go check them out. I'll put a link in the description to their two channels, and as well to the live stream. It's got a reminder thing already set up, premiere, so definitely be there to check it out. And what I want to do is, they just had Kevin Brown from Junkyard Digs on their chat, and that's how cool their chat is, their live stream. I really enjoy it. Sometimes it's really fun. But they just had him on there, and they had their peak number, like their record was 50 people in the chat, I believe, or 55, something like that. And my last impromptu stream, we had over 100 people in there at one time. I want to break their record with our small channel, because Kevin Brown's got like 300,000 and we only got 10,000. So let's break their record and let's have a great time in that live chat, along with, Wednesday, my live chat. So just want to let you guys know that's what we're doing this week. The next Jezebel video will be out next week, hopefully, if this weekend's good. But just want to give you all the information. And let me just show you something else we're working on for old Jezebel, because I think you guys deserve a little more sneak peeking. So, for anybody who remembers these were Jezebel's old Zoomy side pipes we had made many, many years ago. These are Corvette side pipes that we opened all 4 tubes. And then we took some 1 5/8" Chevy Zoomies, swedged them in there, and made those. Problem with these were, well, the Charger's just a huge car and they look kind of goofy. So, I've had too many people tell me that Jezebel without Zoomies is just not going to work. And I kind of agree. It's kind of goofy looking, but at the same time, we're going to make those bad boys work. Those are real dragster Zoomies. 2.5-inch tubes. See just how much bigger they are. Those things are going to look wicked on the side of her. So I'm working on making these work. Basically going to build a giant collector for them. Big open deal, like a big NASCAR slash cut. That's going to work out pretty fantastically. I got it. It's all figured out. We're going to cut that guy. Boom. Boom. It's going to be a big box. You'll see. You're going to see how it works in the video. But I just wanted to give you guys all that kind of update. Give you a little more sneak peek. Let you know what I've been working on. This next video, I think it's going to be pretty fantastic. And if it's not, I apologize. But it should be pretty good. But anyways, guys, as always, I hope you enjoyed this little snippet into what's going on this week. Don't forget, Wednesday, April 15th at 8 p.m. Central Standard Time, I will be going live. And then the following day, Thursday, April 16th at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time, I will also be going live, but with my friends over on Grant's channel at Straight Six Fan. Feel free to go ahead and check out their channels. If you enjoy their content, please subscribe to them. Show them some love and support. They deserve it. Grant and Jason both. Really cool guys. So that's what's going on this week, guys. And I will hope to see you guys next week in the great Jezebel video. And I hope to see you also Wednesday and Thursday. But, beside the point. Anyways, guys, take care. And I'll see you then. Bye-bye.